Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas if you're brand new, and I make style and hair related videos every single week. So if that's your kind of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and come back and visit me every single Monday. Welcome to today's video where I'm just going to be running you over my brand new or updated skin and hair routine. So if you're a low maintenance groomer, you're probably really going to like this because I just noticed in reflection of 2018 as well, a lot of my routines are probably a little bit ambiguous and crazy. So I've kind of dulled everything down to just the basics of what I need. And yeah, I'll be covering my hair routine and my skin routine using the T. Shanley Level 3, which I've been using it since like the beginning of December, and I'm really impressed with it. It's really good. So we'll be running over that today. And because I've teamed up with T. Shanley with this video as well, you can get a 20% discount off your first box by using this code in the link in the description box below, okay? So without further ado, let's get into it, and we'll start this routine pretty much where I get out of the shower. So straight after the shower, I'll head to the basin and sort of begin my skincare routine. There's only 5 steps in this whole skincare routine. T. Shanley takes the guesswork out for you. They've got like their little pamphlet that I've stuck on my mirror. So when I get into this routine, the first thing I do is just wet my face with a bit of warm water. And then after I've done that, I'll grab the face wash. I'll put a dollop size on there. Then I'll scrub my face for just a couple of minutes, rinse that off. And depending on whether it's exfoliating day or not, I've been exfoliating twice a week. I made sure when I filmed this video, I was doing it on exfoliating day just so I could show you the full extent of what I do in the routine. And then I'll just wish that around my face for a little while. It smells really good. They've got little apricot seeds to really get in there and remove dead skin. And it also leaves a really nice tingling sensation on my face, which I'm really fond of. It's pretty much my favorite part of the whole thing. Then after I'm done with exfoliating, I'll just rinse it off with the tap, warm water again, and grab my little face cloth, give me a pat down to dry off my skin. And then the next step is to use the super serum. So the super serum is like a firming serum for your face. I really like this kind of product. I've never seen one for men before, but all you do is use one pump, spread it around your face evenly, and then wait for about 30 seconds for it to dry. Then straight after using the super serum, it's time to do the eyes. So again, for eyes, I just use one pump of it, and then I'll cut that in half and then evenly distribute it underneath my eyes because my crow's feet have been climbing in. And that's why I went for the level 3 one as well, because they have anti-aging properties in there. And as I'm getting into my mid-20s, I am starting to see some faint lines coming in. So things like the super serum and the eyes, they work really well for this kind of thing. And I'm already, after a couple of months, noticing a great difference. Then after the eye treatment's done, depending on whether it's AM or PM, I'll use the moisturizer that they've allocated. So they do have an AM moisturizer with SPF in it, and they do have a nighttime moisturizer, which is really nice and light. And that is skincare taken care of. Very nice and simple, no guesswork, and seriously, the results are really good. My skin's been super clear and tight ever since using it, so I'm very happy with that. And remember, if you do want to try out T. Shanley, you can do that by visiting the link in the description box where there's a special discount code that'll get you 20% off. Enjoy! So after I've done my skincare routine, it's time to move on to hair. Now, I did tell you that all of my routines have been a little bit defluffed, and there's really only 3 steps or 4 steps with my hair routine. The first thing is a head massage. I've actually been doing about 10 minutes of head massaging a day. It's been proven that head massages actually help your hair grow a lot healthier. So by massaging the scalp, you're getting more blood flow to the hair follicles, and they grow thicker, fuller, faster, like everything. I've only been doing it for a few weeks now, so I haven't seen any tremendous differences, but I've been making an effort to include it. It's like 10 minutes of my day. I'll go to YouTube, I'll type in lo-fi, and all of these live feeds come up with lo-fi music. It's just really chill hip-hop stuff. It's amazing. But what I do is I put the music on, I start massaging my scalp for about 10 minutes on my bed. So give that a go if you're trying to grow your hair out still. And then after I have done my head massage, it's actually pretty funny. Like when I massage my scalp for like 10 minutes straight, my hair's always quite buffy and big. Like it dries out a little bit after the shower, obviously. So I'll just put my detangler spray in, then use the comb to like brush all of that liquid through, get it all sitting down nicely again. And it's a good opportunity as well. Like if I'm doing that daily, I kind of get rid of all the hair fall that's coming out, and I don't have random bits of hair coming out all the time. And then after I've sort of like got my hair back into a normal state, I'll then grab my leave-in conditioner, put a bit of that on my hand. I always go pretty crazy on the leave-in conditioner because, as you guys probably know, my hair is very dry, very frizzy, so using a leave-in conditioner helps me kind of control that a little bit. And then I'll use a bit of argan oil on top of that just for extra smoothness. And depending on how humid the day is as well, I've really taken a liking to just putting some flaxseed gel in my hair. It really helps me kind of contain that curl without it going crazy. I won't use it on a day that's not really humid and where my hair's prone to being frizzy, but that's pretty much it. And then after I've completed my hair routine, I'll simply just put it up in a bun, or I'll style it, depending on whether like what I want to do for that day. If I want to just go cash and easy, I'll just tie it up wet, wait for it to dry, and then if I want to style it updo or straighten it or whatever, I'll obviously spend the extra half an hour doing that, and that's literally it. That's like my routine done. And to be honest, taking away all those other steps like using the Supernova stuff and just different products that I thought were necessary, they're really not. Just take it back and make it a lot simpler, because life is better when it's simpler. I got a million things to do, and if I can make my grooming all nice and easy, then I'm all for it. So I hope you guys found that really useful. If you have a different way of doing all of your skin and hair, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Let me know how the start of your year's going. I can't believe we're near the end of January already. It's kind of ticking by so fast. I don't even know where time goes, you know? But yeah, overall, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some great ideas. And again, if you want to try out the Tiege Hanley range, you can get 20% off your first box by using the code ThomasInAction in the link in the description box, okay? I really hope you have a good day, have a good week, and I'll see you next Monday for another video. My phone just went off. Bye!